In the ever-evolving landscape of the luxury automotive market, the 2024 model year promises to deliver a remarkable array of sedans that cater to the discerning tastes of modern drivers. From the powerful and efficient BMW 5 Series to the cutting-edge electric BMW i5, and from the spacious and technologically advanced Genesis G90 to the captivating Maserati Gran Turismo, this lineup showcases the pinnacle of automotive engineering and design. As we delve into the details of these remarkable vehicles, prepare to be captivated by the sheer breadth of innovation and excellence that the 2024 luxury sedan market has to offer. Number 1. 2024 BMW 5 Series. The 2024 BMW 5 Series sedan is a new addition to the BMW lineup, featuring a 1998 engine and new 4- and 6-cylinder options. It can reach a maximum speed of 143 miles per hour and accommodates up to 5 passengers. The sedan's increased stature and length provide more space and comfort. The model is priced between $58,895 and $65,895 depending on trim and options, offering a balanced offering of luxury, size, and performance between the BMW 3 and 7 Series. Number 2. 2024 BMW i5. The 2024 BMW i5 is a mid-size electric luxury sedan with impressive specifications and premium positioning. It features a 1998 electric powertrain, a 66 to 68-liter battery, and an electric range of 256 to 295 miles on a single charge. Priced at $84,100, it caters to the executive and discerning clientele with a spacious cabin and cutting-edge features like in-car gaming capabilities. The i5 promises to redefine the luxury electric sedan experience, making it a formidable contender in the EV market. Number 3. 2024 Genesis G90. The 2024 Genesis G90 is a luxurious sedan with a 3.3-liter engine, delivering impressive performance with a maximum speed of 146 miles per hour. It offers a fuel capacity of 19.3 gallons, resulting in city and highway mileage of 17 mpg and 24 mpg respectively, resulting in a combined fuel efficiency of 20 to 21 mpg. The price range for the Genesis G90 starts at $90,450 and goes up to $100,695, depending on the trim and available options. Its stunning design and advanced features make it a desirable choice for discerning customers. Number 4. 2024 Maserati Gran Turismo. The 2024 Maserati Gran Turismo is a luxurious 4-seater sports car with a powerful 4691 key engine, a maximum speed limit of 188 miles per hour, and a fuel capacity of 86 liters. It offers a 21 mph combined mileage and is priced between $159,995 and $191,995, depending on the trim and options. The cabin is made of top-quality materials and offers ample cargo space at the rear, making it a practical choice for discerning drivers seeking both performance and practicality in a luxury package. Number 5. 2024 Acura Integra. The 2024 Acura Integra is a sleek, futuristic luxury car with a 1.5-liter engine, a maximum speed limit of 137 miles per hour, and a fuel capacity of 12.4 gallons. Priced between $32,995 and $37,695, it's the most budget-friendly model in Honda's lineup. Despite its compact size, it offers impressive fuel efficiency with city and highway mileage of 29 mpg and 36 mpg respectively. As Honda's luxury rendition, the Acura Integra offers a unique blend of style, performance, and practicality. Number 6. 2024 BMW 7 Series. The 2024 BMW 7 Series is a luxury sedan with a 2998 engine, a maximum speed limit of 155.3 miles per hour, and a fuel capacity of 74 liters. It offers a fuel economy leader in its class, delivering 20 to 25 mph combined. Priced at $96,400, it offers unparalleled comfort, and sophistication with a spacious cabin and premium interior design. The sedan is further enhanced by an advanced lighting system and a new plug-in hybrid option, making it a standout in the luxury sedan market. It caters to the discerning needs of modern drivers. Number 7. 2024 BMW i7. The BMW i7 is a luxury sedan with a 2998 engine, delivering 650 horsepower and a maximum speed limit of 155 miles per hour. With a fuel capacity of 74 liters, it achieves 82 mpg in the city and 87 mpg on highways. Priced at $105,700, it combines cutting-edge technology with sustainable performance, making it one of the best luxury cars available. Number 8. 2024 BMW M2. The BMW M2 is a powerful sports car with a 2993T engine, a maximum speed limit of 177 miles per hour, and a fuel capacity of 52 liters. It offers 16 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on highways, providing a balance between power and efficiency. Priced at $63,200, it is known for its exceptional cornering skills and driver-focused dynamics. Despite its compact size, the M2 is a practical choice, though its limited rear seats may make it better suited for shorter trips. Number 9. 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class is a compact luxury sedan that combines efficiency, performance, and style. With a 1496 engine, it can reach a maximum speed limit of 144.7 miles per hour and a fuel capacity of 66 liters. It offers a combined mileage of 27 to 29 mph and is priced between $48,100 and $52,200 depending on trim and options. The C-Class's new age design and competitive nature make it a top choice for discerning customers seeking a small luxury sedan that combines practicality, performance, and the renowned Mercedes-Benz legacy. Number 10. 2024 Audi A3. The 2024 Audi A3 is a compact luxury sedan with a 1395 engine, 155 miles per hour maximum speed limit, and 50-liter fuel capacity. It offers excellent fuel economy with 30 to 32 mph combined. Priced between $37,000 and $45,000, it offers a modern alternative to traditional Audi SUVs. Despite lacking horsepower, the A3's premium interior, spacious cabin, and robust construction make it a standout choice in the luxury compact sedan segment. The 2024 luxury sedan lineup showcases the pinnacle of automotive engineering, offering a diverse range of options to cater to the discerning tastes of modern drivers. Whether you're seeking power, efficiency, or unparalleled luxury, this collection has something to captivate every automotive enthusiast. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth insights into the world of exceptional vehicles.